One very important setting as a teacher that you need to make sure is correct in PowerSchool are your category weightings for your quarters. In order to set these up, you need to come to Settings and Traditional Grade Calculations. If you're in high school, William Blunt, or Heritage, you'll be dealing with this S1 term weighting in individual sessions at your school. Those of you that are at the elementary and middle school level, these weightings are locked. But everybody has access to change the weightings on the quarters. If you're the kind of person who grades by total points, that's a default. You would click this pencil and you'll see that right here we have total points as 100% of this quarter one grade. I'm the kind of person who does total points, so I don't have to deal with any of this. But if you're the kind of person who likes to do percentages, here's where you would change them. First, you would change this drop-down menu to do category weighting, and then the predetermined attributes or categories that PowerSchool has by default are here. You would choose classwork, and then you would choose what percent you would like it to be. Generally, I would add all of my categories and then change the weighting. So I have one category weight that's going to be my classwork, and I need to add another one. Up here by percent is a plus sign, and clicking that gives me the next one. Again, the default's total points. So I would again click category weighting. I would choose tests, and it's automatically dropping the percentages to be equally weighted. Let me add one more. Again, if you're doing percentages, it's category weighting. And I've got classwork, tests, and maybe I want my quizzes to count something else. And I can see that my percentages are now all 33.33. But I may want to change the weighting of that. In order to do that, I can come over into the weighting column. And let's say I want my classwork to be 50% of the grade, and then my tests 30% of the grade, and my quizzes the remaining 20% of the grade. By changing it there, you can see your percentages are 50, 30, and 20 here. Make sure these add up to 100, and then you would just save. And then you would come down to your next quarter and do the same thing on that quarter. If I go back into this, I can also show you there's another tab over here that's dropped lowest score. And you can choose to do lowest overall, the lowest by category, or none at all. That is how you set up quarter weights.